Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set up a personal hotspot on your iPhone. Now this is a quick and easy process. First, what you want to do is slide down from the top right hand corner. So once you've swiped down from the top right hand corner, this will bring up the control center. Yours may look slightly different, but everyone's will have this section here on the top left hand corner. This is where all your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is housed. And what you can do is you can tap and hold on this section, and this will bring up this sub menu, and within this sub menu you'll see in the bottom right hand corner here personal hotspot, and it's currently switched off, so you can tap on this and this will turn on your personal hotspot. However, doing it this way you don't have much control over setting up your personal hotspot, so let's turn it off here and let's swipe this away and let's head over to the iPhone settings, and you can see at the top of the menu here personal hotspot, so let's tap into that. You can see here at the top allow others to join. You can tap this on or off, and also underneath Wi-Fi password you can change this by tapping into it and changing the password. Also below here there's even more instructions how to connect to the personal hotspot using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or a USB. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.